I know you guys really can't see yet. It's still super early. Sun's just starting to, or daylight's just starting to break, but I'm here at the lake. I'm just going to put in. We're going to head over to one of my favorite spots to fish this time of year, and hopefully there's some fish there. I know they've probably been hit hard the last few days. There was a huge tournament here on Saturday, and this just happens to be a lake that there's tons of people fishing here every day of the week, no matter what day it is or what's going on. So anyway, I'm about to drag the kayak right there to the water, put in, and I might have a friend join me later, about an hour or so. We're going to see if we can get on this morning. All right, y'all stay tuned. I'm just pulling up to the spot I want to fish first. Hopefully there's some fish here. Oh, I'm sure there's fish here. I just hope they haven't been hit so hard the last couple of days over the weekend that they have lockjaw and refuse to bite. That happens out here. Let's see. First cast of the day coming up. The only bad thing about this spot is all the traffic noise from the road here. But it don't seem to bother the fish a bit. There's usually fish here. I keep saying that. I might get skunked right here today. And I may do better to throw a crankbait or a topwater till the sun comes up, and then go back to this worm here. Good enough to make me pick up my topwater. Get a little closer. Oh yeah, first cast with the topwater. They're still here. Not a big one. Alright, buddy. Nothing like bass first thing in the morning. Not a bad first fish. Yep. Oh, he missed it. Dang it. Oh, I don't think I got him. My goodness. What's going on? I don't miss a whole lot of fish with this top water. That's why I like it so much. Let's turn around. Here's another one with it. Alright. I know what time it is. Let me get my wings. I got a Red Bull and a Rice Krispie treat. Talk about a healthy breakfast, right? See what I mean about how busy this lake's getting? I mean, it's Monday morning. It's not even 6:30 yet. And since I've been here fishing, I bet I've seen 10 boats put in and take off. This lake gets an insane amount of pressure. And it's not a big lake. But, I mean, the fish withstand. That bird just flew into my line. It gets a lot of pressure, but the fishery is healthy. You usually catch some. I mean, I should have had 3 fish already. I only have 1 because I missed 2. And I've only been fishing for 30 minutes. think I got this one Bowser. I think he just kind of swapped it. Got him in the house. There's a few left in here. There they go. I've been waiting on them to do that. Ah. Whew. Let's do them, fellas. Oh. That's the thing with topwater, man. They're gonna get off sometimes. But they like this thing. I'm looking for a bite about right now. It's been a while. I started schooling earlier, I got that bite, and I don't think I've had a bite since. I may have to switch soft plastics too. I ran out of the I've already been catching them on it's a Lake Fort makes it. It's called a ring fry. Big old fat soft plastic with little rings on it. I've been catching them on that, but ran out. There's a bite. There's one. Almost as if they were listening to us, huh? Cool, fella. Okay, buddy. You're slamming up my Red Bull, dude. My gosh. Thank you. Little fella. Off he goes. No? That's a little further out. Check and see what time it is. he is. Oh, he's coming up. Little fella, he's fat. There's usually a big one or two mixed in here with all these, but all I've caught today is these little ones. I did see my buddy Mark just pulled up. I wonder if he saw me catch that fish. Wouldn't that be something? This worm's about had it. I'm gonna keep chunking it till she breaks apart on me. Well, it's not just non-stop action this morning, but it's been steady, I guess. We're fishing in one spot the whole time. Oh, there's another bite, homies. There he is. They may turn on, buddy. About the same size. Come on, fishy. Oh, that one's bigger. He's not big, but he's bigger than the few I've caught so far. We should probably get off. Let's see this. Hook just fell right out. Oh yeah, that's a nice fatty. I'll take you. Get back in there. And there. See, my worm about had it. Broke on that one. I got more though, I think. I know people video their fishing and stuff for different reasons. Man, I just like to go back and watch it. It's going to be memories. There's those fish. That's 3 casts in a row. I hope this one don't tear up. This is one of my last one of these worms. Boy, he ain't wanting to come up. Alright. Easy release. He was a little smaller than the last one. 3 casts in a row. Will it be 4? 4 casts in a row. Yes, it will. Oh. Hey, I got the bite. It's my fault. I didn't set the hook.
I'll get a nice surface out here.
Oh, you trying to take a picture of your fish?
Yeah, I'm trying to submit it. You gotta be in the right spot on this way.
Yeah.
What color wire did you say you needed?
I've been catching them on watermelon red, but and I got other watermelon red worms. I just don't have the 2 I've been catching them on, you know. What? Walmart has some tungsten weights. Well, that's good to know. Yeah. It started off slow, but once I got into them, you want to fix that. That's all tangled up. Let that thing fall all the way to the bottom.
Okay.
They're on this point that comes off right here. Which,
Little channel? Point?
yeah, it's a point. There's a, see, there's one.
You ain't kidding about being stacked up right there.
No, they're out there. Yeah. I caught 5 casts in a row right to the right of that buoy earlier.
What color worm was that you said you needed? Was it red flake? Pumpkin red flake?
Watermelon red. I don't think that one be 17 inches.
Just a regular, like a ribbon tail?
Oh, you're good, man. I got plenty of.
Oh, I got some for you.
What I've been using is those Lake Fork. You're good.
I'm sorry.
I'm not worried about this. This thing beat up and ugly. But I got plenty of watermelon red. Matter of fact, I just caught it on one of those Guggen.
Swim shirt?
Yeah.
That's what I was just about to hand you a package of.
Oh yeah.
You want some?
I got a whole package, man.
Okay.
I appreciate it. But you can.
I couldn't hear nothing over there.
Oh, I hear you. Now, what I was saying is I've been catching them on Lake Fork hyper sticks.
Yeah. What do they look like?
I
They like a
got-
big ass Cinco worm?
Yeah, but they got these. Here, take a couple. Those are pumpkin.
Oh, I see.
And the ring fry. Have you ever seen the ring fry?
Uh-uh.
They're loaded with garlic. He's got one tied on. It's a little tangled up right now.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Those
That's right. The big old, like the big,
They're-
thick.
yeah,
looking thing.
They're fat.
I almost got some of them, but man, I got too much.
I picked up some watermelon ones, but they weren't like this.
I'll just have to wait till I get started to see it. I don't know. I figured that rain last night would be good. I think it's gonna be all right. Yeah, I caught as soon as I came over here. I was gonna come over here and pass you under the bridge, and I was like, I'm gonna try that bank real quick. And that first cast, I popped that good one.
Oh, you did? Good.
Yeah, he's right.
I know.
Are
You're right.
we rolling right now? What's up, dude?
Yeah. They were.
Man, I didn't know that there was sand bass in this lake.
I caught one, and he caught one the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody told me that it was never stocked and there was never none in here.
Yeah.
And I had a buddy that fishes at night, and there's a green light around that second bend over there. He said they're stacked up there every night.
Huh.
A bunch of them.
That's another place we fish. If you go straight down this, and you go to that big cove that's down there, you go back there far enough, it's going to Y, and there's a house right there. Fish in the middle of that Y.
Really?
Yeah, we
See, I haven't gone all the way back there. I was back there Saturday, but I was like, man, there ain't nothing back. And there was all these kids in kayaks and stuff.
That was probably us.
Busy in here on Saturday.
I don't.
We had a couple kids with us.
Did they have a big what do you call it? A unicorn float?
No, that's
Oh,
not.
yeah.
No.
Well, I'll get out of your hair.
Oh, you're good, man.
You gonna be out here for a while?
Probably.
Hey, I know that they were catching them on weightless Senkos right up underneath this bridge, one after another.
I believe that, yeah. Man, if there's schooling in here, you'll just sit here. It don't matter what you throw.
Yeah,
You'll whack them.
They started right here, and I popped them. I was catching them on crankbait and everything else I threw.
Yeah.
But they were all like...
There's another bite. This thing, oh, come on. He's swimming with it. Oh, I missed him.
That's what's happening when you start talking.
Yeah.
I hope there's a big one sitting under there.
Throw it out there and let it fall to the bottom. I caught a pretty good one over here the other day.
I'm gonna run back to the
It's about a 20-incher. All right.
Hey, thanks for the warning, bro.
Hey, you're welcome.
Hey, what's your name?
My name's CA.
CA?
Yes, sir.
Danny, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Danny.
Danny, I'm Mark.
Mark? Yeah. That's my middle name.
Is it? Danny Mark?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yeah.
I had a brother named Danny.
That's crazy.
Get in there in front of them. They're gonna bite that thing.
Say that again?
You get it down there in front of them, they're gonna bite that.
I bought some more of these, but they're not like this.
There's one.
Come on.
They're still over here, man.
I don't know why I left.
I don't know if any of them's gonna be over 17 inches, but that one might be. Nah.
About 16 and a half.
Yeah. He's fat though.
He is fat. Come on. Let's go fly some, man.
Yeah.
I'll get out. I'll go out my yard. I'll go out.
Yeah, I cannot sit at the house.
You like sitting at
If I'm extremely tired and have been going, I'm fine. I can do it for a day.
You wouldn't find me at home. If I was out, look at you. I guess if I put this out there in the water, I'll have a little more luck.
Yes,
When I used to
and let it fall and just don't reel it. Drag it across the bottom
Okay,
and then reel in your slack. But what were you
I'll
saying?
try that. Yeah, when I was younger, anytime I was days off,
Oh, baby.
I was done at home.
Yeah. I done tore up this worm too. Well, that's it for today, guys. I really appreciate you watching. Had a pretty good morning. Caught several fish. I missed a few too. It's always frustrating, but man, you can't be frustrated on a day like today. It's gorgeous. It's probably 68 degrees. We got a south wind blowing, some cloud cover, some sunshine, birds chirping, bass biting. Lord is good to us, and we don't deserve it. But anyway, I'm about to head to work. Go take care of some things. I do want to show you what I was catching my fish on today. Before I do that, let's see. First of all, these are Lake Fork Hyper Sticks. This is pumpkin. This isn't the color I was using. I was using watermelon red flake, but I ran out of those, and so instead of changing colors, I changed baits, and so I caught a lot of them on that. Then I switched to the Guggen Slim Shake Worm in watermelon red. Again, it's very similar profile, everything, same color. So I switched to that, and I caught several fish on that. And of course, bone-colored whopper plopper was doing pretty good this morning, even though I missed several fish on it. But I've sat down there and caught several bass.
Well, I was looking at what you do with binoculars, and I couldn't tell if you had crappie or bass.
Yeah, they were all bass.
Were they?
Yes, sir.
One of them shined pretty white, and I thought, well, that's a pretty nice sized crappie there.
Yeah, there's definitely crappie over there by that bridge.
Yeah. There's some damn good big red here too.
Really?
Yeah, on the other side of the bridge, far side.
Yes, sir.
Over toward that first outlet, right in there. There's some big old red ear beds used to be in there.
Oh, anyway. I don't know where we were. I was showing you baits. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you all have a great day. And keep fishing, whatever you do, whatever it is you like to do, fishing, hunting, anything outdoors, hiking, jogging, just go enjoy it. And, give all the glory to God for it, because all good things come from Him, and we certainly don't deserve them. So God bless you guys. We'll see you next time.